Welcome back to Firestorm Games, and you're joining us as we take a look at one of Games Workshop's latest releases for Necromunda. The kit in question is this one here, the Slave Ogryn Gang, and as always we'll be building a couple of the models from the kit whilst talking about its features and how the models look before taking a look at some of the assembled miniatures. So, let's get started. So this kit is actually available in two varieties. The Jotun H-grade industrial servitor set, which features 2 Ogryns, and the Slave Ogryn Gang, which contains 3 times the models for only twice the price. So if you're looking for numbers, then picking up the pricier box set will give you the best value for money. However, apart from the price and the difference in the number of Ogryns, the two kits are exactly the same. So as the name of the kit suggests, these are Ogryns, making them the second plastic Ogryn kit available to us. Whilst their cousins are put to use among the ranks of the Astra Militarum, these Ogryns are employed primarily for industrial duties. However, as this is Necromunda, industrial tools also make for excellent weapons. The equipment offered to the Slave Ogryns comes in the form of the Augmetic Fists, Stormwelders and Spudjackers, which are essentially man-sized monkey wrenches. Due to the way these weapons are distributed across each of the arms, this gives you 4 different weapon variations in this kit, 5 if you include the capped right shoulder option. As expected, these weapons are huge and are probably some of the largest weapons employed by any of the existing Necromunda kits. I've already mentioned the man-sized Spudjacker, but the Stormwelder is bulkier than those carried by the House Goliath Forgeborn, and the Augmetic Fists are closer in scale to those carried by the Adeptus Mechanicus' Castellan robots. To wield these mighty weapons, the Slave Ogryns have equally hefty frames. Standing at a similar size to the Astra Militarum's Ogryns and Bulgryns puts them on equal footing with Ambots and even the largest House Goliath Stimmers. Their bulk is most noticeable in their bare torsos, which reveal bodybuilder-sized physiques, in addition to their cybernetic enhancements. After all, these models are in fact servitors, although due to the Ogryns' already poor cognitive abilities, it's probably quite difficult to tell the difference. This servitor status is further demonstrated by some of the extra items you can add to your Ogryns. The Arkwalder power unit can be strapped to the back, features either bushings or compressor bellows, in addition to some hefty looking power cables. These are complemented by a supporting exoskeleton-like arm to the right weapon, and finally we also have an entirely robotic head that features a cyclopean lens in the centre. This is in addition to 4 other Ogryn heads that are found in the kit. These have the usual bullish oversized features, with my favourite being one that features a stapled up scar across the forehead. Overall, it's really nice to see the number of options available in this kit. Each sprue gives you a whole ton of options. To recap, we get the 5 heads including a welding mask, 2 right arm weapons and 3 left arm weapons. In addition to all these, we also have a whole bunch of extra items to decorate the Ogryns with. This includes a reel of chain topped with a grapnel, pouches filled with batteries, electrical boxes, and additional armor plates. All of these can combine to create some very unique looking Slave Ogryn gangs, even though we only get the 2 torso variants. It's great to see a kit providing us with so many different options, and something that helps to fill out our bits box at the same time. So let's continue to assemble these guys and take a look at a couple of completed Ogryns. And here we have assembled examples of 2 of the Slave Ogryns. Overall, it's a great kit that comes with a whole bunch of cool options, which can be put together to create some really standout models. However, the possibilities of this kit go far beyond Necromunda. If you're a 40k player, you could easily find excellent use of these guys in your conversions, either as Mechanicus-inspired Ogryns in your Astra Militarum forces, bladed cog aberrants, or even obliterators for your Iron Warriors. However you decide to play these guys, you'll have a lot of fun doing so. If you're looking to pick this kit up for yourself, you'll be able to save yourself a little money as you'll find this kit with at least 10% off the RRP on the Firestorm Games webstore, which you can find a link to in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave your comments and subscribe to be kept up to date with all of our future videos. And so we just want to say a big thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you again on Firestorm Games.